Yep.
He's trying to get us like terrorism and shit like this. ADs and salt. He's still on. Is he lighting it out? Yeah.
Is that recording?
Yeah. No, it's just. It blew it the whole way here. Dude,
Yeah.
it moved it. The whole way over here.
Hit off my bumper.
Yeah, dude.
Look, there's the button plate. Pieces everywhere.
Dude, but yet, dude, look, this is that. Oh no. No, it's definitely fun.
It fucking
Dude, how did
mushroomed
do
it.
that?
It blew
Dude,
a
I think we
hole.
underestimate the power of
It
these.
blew a hole in the metal.
Dude, I think we underestimated the power of these bomb systems.
It blew a hole through the top.
Dude, look what it did to the back of it.
It blew the back off. That's the top.
Dude, look how heavy it is, too. It blew that. It moved this far, dude. Look how heavy this is.
Damn. You got this.
Yeah, these shit will blow your arm off if
Except
they.
this is still intact.
Well, just because that was able to move out of the
Oh, it's
way.
metal, not glass anyway.
Yeah, because that was able to move out of the way.
Oh, that microwave got.
There's the CO2.
I am keeping that.
It's probably hot.
Not really.
Let me see. Dude, yeah, they're enough to tear this like this, dude.
Damn.
Just think if we could find a not so thick metal shell for them, how much more energy they'd have to.
Oh, hell yeah.
What's that light over there?
No, that's just reflection.
Yeah.
Well, now where to, man?
That was fun.
That was
See you
fucking
later.
fun, dude.
Yep. See you later.